If you want to change the location shown in Find My iPhone, whether you're switching devices or sharing someone else's location, here's how to do it. First, use a different Apple device. You cannot manually fake your location in Find My, but you can change the device that's sharing your location. Open Find My, then tap on Me at the bottom. Tap Use this iPhone as my location, and this will update your shared location to your current iPhone. Next, share someone else's location. If you're using family sharing, you can view or share location from another family member's device if they allow it. Go to Settings, then tap on your name. After that, go into Family Sharing and Location Sharing. And that's all. To change your location on Find My iPhone, just switch which device is being used or manage location sharing through family sharing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.